What's up, guys? I'm not gonna be revealing my face, I'm so sorry. Well, maybe. But you're gonna have to wait till at least 100 million subscribers for me to reveal my face. I'm gonna be giving you guys a full room tour in this video, as well as answering some questions that you guys gave me. I can't breathe! I'm gonna be answering some questions that you guys gave me as well, and I'm also going to be giving away Photopea premium keys in this video. They're gonna pop up randomly, and you guys are gonna have to redeem them before everyone else does. Let's go ahead and start out with the first question. So the first question we got is from Vermonium, and it says, how long have you been designing for and what made you get into it? Honestly, I've been designing for about 7+ years on and off. I gotta change, I can't breathe. I probably look like a Spooder Man, but I don't really care. So let's go ahead and do this because now I can actually breathe. But now I can't see, so I'm gonna have to switch it again. All right, so now I can actually see out of this thing. But the only problem is it's a little loose, so I'm gonna have to switch it again. Okay, honestly, guys. All right, I think we're gonna go with this. I got a beanie on. So, where was I? All right, this should be good. Okay, finally, now I'm ready to continue. So, how long have you been designing and what? I can't see out of this thing. How long have you been, I can't breathe either. How long have you been designing and what made you get into it? So, I actually started designing probably about 8 years now, but it's been off and on, and honestly, I haven't really tried learning too much. I'm self-taught, and what made me get into it was probably the fact that my dad does it for a living. Ugh. Yo, I ain't even gonna lie, it's kind of hard to breathe. Plus, I've been running around trying to get stuff working. Okay. Next question we got is, in the future, do you plan to create more tailored content, or will you continue with general and requested graphic design tutorials? And that's a great question because I'm actually learning a new software program called Inkscape, which is an Adobe Illustrator clone, and it's also completely free, so I might start making videos on that and branching out from Photopea a little bit. And who knows, maybe I can expand my audience. Why is the screen? And maybe if I do that, I can get some more viewership and grow my channel a little bit more. So let's go ahead and get on with the tour because this Q&A stuff sucks. First things first, there's a whiteboard, but there's top secret information. I'm working on a business. Let's start out over here. And I might have to take out one of my lenses for this because I can't see, oh well. So we have my collection of colognes here. Yes, I'm bougie. God, I can't get this thing out. Ah! So we got my colognes here, and we're gonna go through my top ones. We got Versace Eros. I love this one. This one's a great summertime one. And we got, I like this one, Bleu de Chanel. It's my signature fragrance. That one's $170. Acqua di Gio's a good daily, and it smells fresh. And I got a bunch of other ones. If you guys have questions about these, let me know in the comments. Next up, we got my motorcycle helmet. I got my Oculus Quest 3, and I got some games right here. Bunch of games. I'm gonna have to switch masks because I cannot breathe. All right, back to this thing. So we got a TV here. It's 50-something inch. I don't really care. And down here we have some consoles. We have a Xbox One, Xbox 360. I can't breathe. PS4 Destiny Edition, PS3. And here we have the Nintendo Switch OLED. Bunch of controllers down here. Over here we have the Wii U modded, the Wii modded. Chargers for the controllers. Next up, newest addition to my lounge. Yeah, it's Kylo Ren. Look at this thing. 6'1", so it's 8 inches shorter than me, but not too bad. I got the lightsaber. It is real. Actually, it's the first real lightsaber in the world. And it's sick. Over here, I have 2 3D printers. Neptune something and Neptune something else. Down here, we have my Boss Katana amp cabinet. The amp's right here. Little mobile amp, some speakers. Yes, I play guitar. I'm the GOAT. And I have some more stuff. If you guys have any questions about this stuff, just let me know and I'll answer. Down here, I have a bunch of books. I read occasionally. Now look at this, guys. This is insane. If the reflections weren't so strong. Get into a corner. It's like moving around. I found this at old, what is it called? Cracker Barrel. I mean, it's insane. It's so sick. Now look at this one. Whoa, spider. This is the gaming setup. I got tree monitors. I've got HyperX keyboard and HP Omen PC right here. It's a beast. 3080 if you want specs. Let me know. I got slippers down there. And I got a giant book. And you guys should check this book out. It's huge. It's about logos. Tons of logos in there. But it's giant and it's heavy. So we're gonna put that back. Down there. Okay, guys. This is the coolest part of the room. Look at this. This is Turdy's enclosure. Turdy is my pet Russian tortoise, and he's right down there. And he's burrowing when he should not be burrowing under the heat lamp. So let me get the little guy to show you guys. Hey, come out, little buddy. Come out. Come out. I gotta save his life, don't worry. He's not gonna like it. But look at him. Guys, here, let me hold him properly. There we go. Okay. Guys, meet Turdy. My little pet tortoise. He's the cutest guy in the world. Gonna put him back here again. I just got the guy. I need to fix this so he doesn't burrow under the heat lamp. I don't want him to get scorched alive. There we go. Good luck doing that again, buddy. Oh, no, there's a hole there now. Oops. I'm sorry I disrupted your sleeping, but the viewers had to see you, so okay, bye-bye. Anyways, I got him a sick log. I got him a sick cave, and this is his enclosure. Super happy. I love him. Over here, we got one of my mini guitars. The other ones I'm not going to show you, but this one is the you know, it's been a while. I don't remember what it's called, like the Epiphone Matt Heafy custom. I don't know, it's something, but it's cool. Over here we got the chill station where you sit down and you sleep and you relax. Now over here, we got some crappy like work clothes in there, but up here we have Clone Trooper, Stormtrooper, Darth Vader. We got lightsabers here. This one is movie accurate, check this out. Look at that. I can do some spins with it. I bet you guys can't do that. Let's put it back. I feel like I'm kind of nerding out a little bit, but I don't really care, to be honest. So, all right, put that back on there. Next up, we got the closet, guys. Holy crap, this is cool. This isn't just any closet. This is my closet, okay? Check this out, right? We got some Marvel Select figures. I've been collecting these since I was a kid, really just when I was a kid. These things are huge. Super detailed, heavy duty. Insane. There's a lot of them. Over here, I have a sealed Halo 3. It's gonna be worth $10 million in the future. I got some comics and some Funko Pops, as well as 3D printed helmets I made and created, and I got one right here. I gotta put that back up there, so let me go ahead and do that. All right, put that up there. I got some records in the back, the Tron Legacy album. Painted Spider-Man thing. 3D printed, 3D printed, 3D printed, 3D printed. And I got some clothing that I wear. And I got some more stuff, but that doesn't really matter. Now, I think that's pretty much the gist of it. Now let's go ahead and get to my computer here. So I wanted to let you guys know, as a little thank you from me, I decided to make the viral thumbnail pack as well as the viral thumbnail course free forever. Completely free now, as a thank you for 20,000 subscribers. Also, join the Discord if you're not in the Discord. Yeah, that's the whole setup. And I've been popping up Photopea codes this whole time, so if you guys missed anything, that's on you. And no, I'm not Bob, so don't ask. But I reveal. Anyways, thank you guys so much for 20,000. Seriously, it's awesome, and I feel bad for not uploading as much the past 2 weeks. So I'm gonna be fixing that. And I'm learning software, so I'm trying to like spend most of my time learning that so I can make my business as well as make new tutorials on new software. So just wait and see. But thank you guys so much. Can I do the heart? Can I do it? How do you do it? I don't know how to do it, but I love you guys. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.